This year, Honor started strong with its toughest phone series, the latest being the Honor X9c 5G. The brand has done many gimmicks featuring its toughest capability to resist drop and water challenges. The media has jumped on to the water and drop test challenges, and the Honor X9c withstood all of these. Because of this, it made its way to the Guinness Book of Records, getting the title of the most people performing a mobile phone drop test simultaneously. Flash forward to today, and Honor has unveiled their latest device, the Honor X9c Smart 5G, a more affordable version of the X9c 5G. Hi guys, it's CJ here of YugaTech, and we're gonna check out the Honor X9c Smart 5G. Is this smartphone worth your penny? Let's dive right in. Starting with its design, our unit comes in this ocean cyan colorway. The back panel is made of polycarbonate material accompanied by an aluminum frame. You'll also notice that this phone has curved edges. No wonder it's named ocean cyan because it shows off an ocean wave pattern at the back. The phone also has the circular camera module in the middle. Judging by its looks, the Honor X9c Smart 5G has similarities to its last year's Honor X9D model. It's still durable and has a 5-star drop-resistant certification. Anyway, it also offers a 360-degree full-body rinse protection. However, the brand did not specify any IP ratings for this model. Based on Honor's website, the phone is classified as splash-resistant, but they don't encourage you to submerge it underwater. And FYI, this isn't covered by the warranty. Going back to the phone, it weighs 193 grams. If you check all the sides, the right carries the volume rocker and power button, which also stands as the fingerprint sensor. At the top, you see the microphone, while on the bottom part, you'll see the Type-C port, a single loudspeaker, and the SIM card slot. Moving on to the display, the Honor X9c Smart 5G sports a 6.8-inch FHD Plus TFT LCD display with support for a 20Hz refresh rate. We did enjoy it for multimedia consumption and watching movies. We also made use of its display with those narrow bezels. It's decent for outdoor viewing with a peak brightness of 850 nits. However, it's not as bright since the phone is only using an LCD panel. As for audio quality, it was able to provide a decent sound and it complemented the display somehow. It's not something you should disregard given that this is an entry-level phone. For biometrics, the phone supports both fingerprint and facial recognition security locks. You registered both biometric data and both work quickly, but we still prefer fingerprint unlocking as it's more secure. Powering the X9c Smart 5G is a MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra. Our unit has 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Performance-wise, we did experience smooth gameplay in casual games like Mobile Legends in its higher graphics settings. We felt a bit of heat when playing Asphalt Legends Unite and Mobile Legends over time with high graphic settings, but that's something not to worry about. As for graphic-intensive titles like Zenless Zone Zero, well, it's a plus that the X9c Smart 5G can even download the game, which a lot of entry-level smartphones can't do at this price point. But from our experience, there are evident stutters even at the game's low image quality settings. But if it's just to get your dailies done, this guy's up for the task. If you plan on running the Holos, however, this might not be your best bet. For those interested in our numbers, we'll flash them to your screens right now. So, let's talk about the cameras. The X9c Smart 5G retains the same camera sensors as the Honor X9c, except it doesn't have OIS. It does have a 108MP main shooter, a 5MP ultra-wide lens, and a 60MP selfie shooter up front. Its camera's performance is great considering its price. The X9c Smart was able to capture good photos and videos. We also didn't expect that it'll shoot good images even at night. Our expectations were not that high, but I guess we were wrong. When it comes to video recording, it can shoot up to 1080p at 30 frames per second for both the main and selfie shooters. But you can be the judge of the video quality yourself with our sample shots right here. Surprisingly, the phone integrates at least one AI feature, which is AI Erase. Just like any other phone that offers such a feature, it gives users the ability to clear the clutter on their shots. Battery-wise, the phone packs a 5,800 mAh unit paired with 35-watt wired charging. It's enough to last you the whole day for unit consumption. And in our experience, we only charged it once for 2 days straight. Earl, the writer for this review, felt like the PC battery test result didn't give justice to his experience. But then again, the battery life still depends on how you make use of the device itself. For connectivity, the phone supports dual nano SIM, 5G, Wi-Fi 5, and NFC. The Honor X9c Smart 5G runs on Magic OS 8.0 based on Android 14. The unit still doesn't have the latest Android 15, but hopefully it does soon. The phone also comes with minimal bloatware. Some nifty features are present such as the Magic Capsule, Magic Portal, and Parallel Space. Honor didn't specify the update policy for this phone, but we should expect 1 to 2 years of major OS upgrades at least. Finally, let's talk about the price. For the introductory price of 10,799 pesos, we can say that it offers more than what we can think of for an entry-level smartphone. A decent battery life, performance, a durable build, and decent camera. It's an up-to-par device that you can rely on for your everyday use. So that's it for the Honor X9c Smart 5G. What do you think of it? Would you buy this? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and informative, give a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads. Follow us on our socials and visit yukotech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later! Anyway... Anyway... Anyway...
Bro.
We're okay, right? We're okay, right?
Still working.
Oh my god, we're good!